Hello friends, welcome to all in a Susrut Raizade official channel. In this video we are going to see the mathematical methods for measuring a surface roughness. There are three methods for measuring a surface roughness. First one is the RMS value, second one 10-point average method, third one is a CLA value method. Okay, now let us see the first RMS value. RMS value is defined as, that is, root mean square. RMS means root mean square. Root mean square value can be defined as the square root of the arithmetic mean of a values of a square of ordinates from the mean line. Means here you can see these are the ordinates y1, y2, y3, y4. If we take the arithmetic mean of the square of ordinates y1, y2, y3, y4, means here you can see RMS value equal to square root of y1 square plus y2 square plus y3 square plus y4 square divided by n. N means number of ordinates you are using, and from this formula you can calculate the roughness value, that is root mean square value. Okay, now second method, 10-point average method, RZ. In this method the average difference between the 5 highest peaks means these are the peaks and these are the valleys. In this method the average difference between the 5 highest peaks and 5 deepest valleys within the sampling length measured from a line parallel to the mean line and not crossing the profile are taken, which are R1, R2, R3 up to the R10. Here you can see the formula 1 by 5, that is average, and the difference between the 5 highest peaks and 5 deepest valleys. Here you can see R1 means R1 is the first highest peak point, R2 is the second highest peak point, R3 is the third highest peak point, R4 is the fourth highest peak point, and like this R5, R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. Then the R6 to R10, which is the deepest valleys, which are subtracted from the highest 5 peak point, and 5 R6, R7, that is R6 is the deepest valleys, R7 is the second deepest valley, R8, R9, R10, like this 5 deepest valleys are subtracted from the 5 peak values and the average is taken. This is the 10-point average method, which is denoted by a RZ. Third method is CLA value, that is RA value. CLA means center line average method. CLA means center line average method. Center line average method. In this method, CLA value means you can calculate roughness value by using two formulas. First one is a RA equal to 1 upon n integration of 0 to n mod of y into dx. Means by using ordinates you can calculate the roughness value. Ordinates means what? y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and n is the number of ordinates you are using. This is the first method. These ordinates are taken along the sampling length. Then second method of CLA value is RA is equal to summation of A divided by L. Summation of A divided by L means the summation of areas under the profile, areas under the A1, A2, A3, A4, summation of these areas divided by capital L. L is the sampling length. Okay, this is the second method. What is CLA means? Arithmetical mean deviation from the mean line of a profile is the average value of ordinates, that is y1 y2 y1 y2 y3, from the mean line, that is RA value. Arithmetical mean deviation from the mean line of a profile is the average value of ordinates y1 y2 y3 from the mean line is a RA value, that is center line average method, and can be calculated by these two formulas. Okay, these are the three methods of mathematical methods for measuring a surface roughness. Thank you.